What are you doing? You're taking a video. If this shows up at any of my wedding functions, Attu. Are you taking a video? You're so weird.
I take a video. Who is with you? You like Kunal. He goes to a club and he starts taking video.
ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰੰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
ਇਸ਼ਕ ਦੇ ਅਲਿਆ ਜ਼ਖਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਖੁਦ ਹੱਸ ਕੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਸੀ ਲਾਂਗੀ ਜੇ ਯਾਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਘਟ ਘਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੀ ਲਾਂਗੀ
She calls me Nay. The most popular one is Nay.
Calls me a very irritating version of Karan, which is Karen.
She calls me Billu. She calls me Ammu. I get a lot of brats and tinies. Tui.
Sumi, and according to her, I have first child syndrome.
Tan Man by Dolly.
Chotu, I'm the Chotu for her.
I am Mouse, and this is my rat.
I am Attu Baby, and I've been Attu Baby since 2004.
She calls me Namo, and she calls him Shantu.
Great thing about Dolly is that she's what she is. You know, she's the energy of the gang. She's always there with a lot of energy. She has loads and loads of words. She has no economy in whatever she says. She has nothing in her stomach. If you tell her something, she'll just blabber out. Like if you're giving her a surprise right now about how we're gonna shoot about everything, and if you tell her, she might just announce it on Facebook.
Dolly has like 3 common things she always says. One is squish your nose. One is oh look at that bum. And the one thing that she always loves to say in anything is like aww. So if you say like Dolly, I miss you. Why don't you meet me anymore? Aww. Well, that's what she always says.
Doll, she knows she's my Wonderwall. Like I dedicate that song to her every time. Because I think we both like held each other through some times in our life which were like tough for both of us. And we got through it together and that was awesome. So yeah, she's my Wonderwall. We fought over like the stupidest things at home. But we partied like crazy. And we've cried together. Oh, snuck in so many Grey's Anatomy episodes. We were sitting there and just crying.
We were 6-7 years old when I moved in as your neighbor. And since then, you've been a part of every important moment in my life. Even the most embarrassing ones.
For me, Dolly and Deepti are like literally like sisters, and we have had so many things in common. So for me, you're like my sister.
First few days were pretty awkward. She was the one always talking and I was the one always quiet, until we finally opened up and started discussing our school crushes.
In school, I used to try to fix a friendly match with Ryan International. She was Ryan's captain and I was Mother's International captain. And she would constantly ignore my calls or just not agree to play a friendly match with our school. Cut to 2 years later, we both were in Gargi giving basketball trials for the same team, and she was wearing her school jersey and I was wearing mine, and that's when I got to know that's Dolly from Ryan, who had been ignoring me for 2 years. So the first reaction when I saw her, I started hurling abuses at her and I was like, you've been ignoring me. And then we figured that we both stay in Vasant Kunj, and it took one auto ride back home where we both got to know each other well.
The first thing I remember about meeting Dolly is that she was extremely rude when I was dropping her to the airport. And I'm like, just started seeing her friend. I'm taking her to the airport to meet her for the first time. And she just says to me, Gaurav, थोड़े और bombs ढूंढ लो चढ़ाने के लिए.
We never have fun with Dolly. She's boring. No fun stories.
Impression of Dolly, I think I was too small to make an impression of Dolly when I've known her. And she's a brat since I've known her.
My first impression was not that good because they used to roam in gangs, their basketball gangs, and they never care about what's happening in the world next to them.
She was always the girl who was always on the basketball court, always doing like sports and all of that. So it was like good.
So he used to beat Kunal and Dolly used to beat him at basketball. So.
Dolly, you've become like a very, very close family to me very quickly. And yeah, dude, I mean, you and I share an equation outside of Arti being in the picture as well. And I'm really glad that you are so outgoing and you make sure that you're around the people that you care for, and that makes us luckier. So yeah, I'm glad to have you around, and I don't want to lose you. So keep keep in touch.
She fits a younger sister role in my life, and like I since a very long time. So
22 years.
Shut. I see her like that, and growing up, I was quite protective of her also. So that brings me to the story of Kunal. So once my first memory is Dolly coming to me telling me that there's a new guy and he's blaming her for losing his 500 rupees, and then he was shouting at her or something like that. So I said okay, and then I figured out, and I went to see who the Kunal is. So I met him, asked him what's up with him. The standard 11. So yeah, I used to be aggressive, and and the moment I asked him why are you troubling Dolly, he was like very sweet, and he said no, it's not my fault and all those things. So like that like he took it in a way that I could not say anything after that. So after that we were also friends. So that's my first memory of Kunal. So.
I got really close with Kunal actually after school, not even during school. Like after school, that is when I became really close with him. He used to make sure that we waited for the DTC bus so that he could use his pass, and he didn't want to pay like his 2 rupees. Bloody Sindhi.
I think my first impression of him was when he came to school with his Tere Naam haircut after Shriram he had come to Ryan's, and I think with Kunal there's just one thing I would want to say about him is that I've never seen a guy who is so planned. He's like the best girlfriend in a relationship because he will plan the date from like 5 p.m. to like 10 p.m. with like even seconds. He is so annoying that I swear even when I'm talking right now I could just like scratch him or like slap him.
Keeps clicking photographs. He has 25,000 photographs of everybody. He has at least, he must be having your 100, 150 photographs by now. If there's an app for selfies, no, he should be the brand endorsement for that because he keeps clicking photographs everywhere.
When the day they started dating, so me, Kunal and Dolly were at Priya's, and we three were supposed to go for a movie. I think the movie was Koi Mil Gaya. And I don't know what, I had some gut feeling or something. I didn't go. That was the day they started formally dating or something. So that is also, yeah, it could not have been if I like watched Koi Mil Gaya. And
it could have been you and Kunal. You never know.
Yeah. He lost out, man.
Dolly, Kunal and I, we spent a whole day together in Bombay, went to Carter Road, and I just remember that, and I think he got his tattoo done there. So that was like my first, I thought he was a really nice guy.
So there was this new guy who's suddenly wearing baggy pants and is having a crew cut hairstyle, and he's wooing all the ladies. So we had a alpha male complex. Because of that, we bullied and ragged him really badly. So I would like to take this opportunity also to apologize to Kunal for what all happened. Nothing major happened, don't worry. But yeah, I mean, we bullied him a little too much.
We met Kunal when he came in 11th. Yeah, and he was quite a pain, and he's still a pain. And he's crazy as ever.
I mean, between Dolly, Kunal and I, he's just another girlfriend in my life. Always very particular about what he's wearing, how he's looking, how his hair is looking. So we've actually straightened each other's hair before parties. And we've done... And I remember auto rides where Dolly and I are not worried about whether our hair is getting messed up, but he would be sitting like this with his hair all prim and proper. And all through college he had that Tere Naam hairstyle, and he was our cheerleader, the best cheerleader ever. He's never missed any of our matches.
First time I met Kunal, I don't remember the first time it was because I think we've been fairly drunk a lot of the times we've been together, but it's always been crazy fun. And I know you're a super sorted dude, And yeah, dude, you guys are. Yeah.
My first impression about Kunal was I had gone to celebrate Holi. I'd actually got to meet Dolly, on Holi. Dolly came, wished me happy Holi, and behind her this, lanky guy walks in, sporting a very weird hairstyle and a wooden choker necklace, which most men used to sport that time, and a bracelet, those wristbands. And yeah, so that was my first impression of Kunal, which was like, alright, what do we have here? What is this going on fashion sense wise? But don't worry, Kunal, your fashion sense has improved. Now you're killing it, huh? It's awesome.
I think I'll always remember him as one goofy kid. He's an absolute sweetheart.
So I think I met him in college, but it was just always, hi, this is Kunal. But the first proper time would be when he'd come to Bombay, which is after his haircut, which is a lot better.
My tip to Kunal would be that Dolly is a strong, independent woman, and I hope you continue to give her that respect and that love she deserves.
I have 10 tips for him. He should not stress out. He should not be a control freak. He should stop making Excel sheets about everything. He should really stop documenting pictures day-wise, storing them day-wise. And yeah, basically he should not be a control freak. That's my only tip for him.
It's difficult. She's quite crazy. Even though you are crazy, but she's crazier than you. So you need to have that level of patience and craziness with her.
I don't think so you need a tip to survive any marriage. You've been in a relationship for more than 10, 12 years. No, you guys know each other very well.
I bestow this responsibility upon you, Kunal, that you have to make her eat her booger. And I think it'll taste best when she's asleep, because then she's not able to protest. Otherwise, she's very scrappy.
You've been in a long distance for way too long, so finally I'm happy that you two will be together in the same city, same space. I have no doubt at all that you will go out of your way to be part of this new family as a Rising Khani, and stay happy, stay blessed, and just be yourself.
You guys have been there for each other through many ups and downs. I'm so excited it's finally happening. Can't believe what the world would look like when two brats get together. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and happiness to you always.
Don't leave anything unsaid. Find new ways to make the other person happy. And only for Kunal, leave the toilet seat down.
Oh, and listen, if she tries to get out of dinner because of workout, just slap her. Seriously. Or if she says I can't go partying because I have to go dance, just ban all her dance classes.
They're as different as a couple can be. He's very I would say his accounting background, because of that he's very small scale and planning every little thing. Dolly is very bird's eye macro level, and she's still she's very focused and driven that kind of way. Kunal is also focused, but they do balance it out, because he brings the crazy part and she
makes it crazier.
Yeah, she actually makes it crazier, so they don't balance it out.
Yeah.
But good that it works. Best of luck, Dolly. You need it.
You need it.
All the best, Dolly. That's all I can say.
Enjoy Australia. Kunal's geography is so weak, man. I told him I'm going to Canada, and then I convinced him that Canada is right next to Australia. He's like, "हाँ मैं तो आ जाऊँगा. I'll swim and come, bro," and stuff like that. So yeah, but I know it's not that close, but you guys should visit sometime.
They both together had a lot of fun, and I think you should never lose that. That fun element is what keeps them going and makes them so comfortable with each other. So I think they should just have a ball of a life together, and even when they're old and cripply and walking around dying, they should still be able to have fun with each other.
Marriage is full of changes, just be ready and be full on. And I wish both of them a very happy married life, the happiest life ever. Love you guys.
Okay, I love you.
Don't forget us, because I already feel a little emotional that Dolly is going away, because when you know someone from childhood, it's so difficult if they're going really far away and you know that you can't meet them very often. But lots of love to you both. Do very well. You're going to have an amazing life together, and I love you guys.
Doll, you will always take my breath away. I love you guys. Be happy.
वैसे भी रुलाने वाले लोग नहीं है ना, मैं ऐसे थोड़ी रुलाते हैं कभी मैंने किसी को तो वो तो हो नहीं सकता ना।
कैसी रोलेगी वो, इसी पे रोलेगी वो, बताओ, आई टेल यू।
डॉली है, रोई लेगी, 5 बार रोली होगा अभी तक।
My suit is from the groomsmen, but my heart is with Dolly.
I don't think I'm